Hello student, here we discuss about chemical bonding, involvement of type of d orbitals in dsp2, d2sp3, sp3d2, sp3d hybridization in complex. I am Veena Dikshit. If you like my video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Involvement of type of d orbital I have written in tabulated form so that it will be very easy for you. Here I have written coordination number of the complex central metal atom. Okay, so this is the for the hybridization of complexes. So here we will discuss how many surrounding atoms are there, that decides the that is called coordination number. So if 4 ligands are around the central metal atom, we will call it coordination number 4. Like that, if 5 atoms are around the central metal, we call it coordination number 5, and so on. 6 surrounding atoms around the central metal atom. Clear? So coordination number 4, 4, 5, 6, 6. Here why I have written 4, 4 two times, because in 4 one d orbital absent, at that moment sp3 hybridization occur, tetrahedral shape will be there, d orbital absent here. In case of dsp2, square planar geometry will be there, and dz here dx square y square orbitals are involved. Which type of orbitals? dx square y square. In which case? dsp2. In dsp2, d orbitals involved here, square planar structure, and d orbital, the type of d orbital is dx square y square. But in case of here sp3d, trigonal bipyramidal geometry, here d orbital involved, this d orbital involves dz square. In case of dsp2, dx square y square is involved. In case of sp3d, dz square in d orbital involved. Okay, type of d orbital is dz square. Okay, now sp3d2 or d2sp3, in both the cases the type of d orbital required is dx square y square dz square. This is one orbital's name, and this is second dz square. So dx square dy square and dz square. Okay, so both of them one and the same. Both of them are having octahedral this distribution of molecular orbital, we can say. Okay, so orbitals and ligands are arranged octahedrally. Okay, and d2sp3 hybridization, if it will be, so inner orbital complex will be formed, that is low spin complex or spin paired complex, means strong ligand will be there so that it will pair the inner electrons. So d2 inner d orbital is involved. But in case of sp3d2, outer orbital complex it is there, high spin complex will be there, because here ligands are very weak, so they will not pair up, so unpaired electron will be there.